Hello, Jason here, and in the next couple of minutes I'm just going to discuss septic tanks for caravans. So lots of people ring me up every day, every week, and they ask me what septic tank is best for a caravan. Well, as you probably know, there's loads of septic tanks out there, but the main difference that you need to look for is this. Right, there's two types of septic tanks, right? There is domestic and non-domestic septic tanks. Now, a domestic septic tank has to go with a house. That's the rules, that's the law, right? But a non-domestic septic tank can go with a caravan or caravans, mobile homes, glamping pods, workshops, stable blocks, etc. Okay, so you get the point. Right, so when you're having a look on their thing, most 99% of the septic tanks that you're going to see online will be domestic tanks for houses. So you do not need one of those. How will you know they're a domestic septic tank? Well, primarily by price. So any septic tank for sale that's for sale on the internet that is, say, about 800 to £800 plus, right? You can go all the way up to like £5,000. Anything like that is more than likely to be a domestic septic tank. What about for a non-domestic property, such as, well, typically they are a lot cheaper. For example, a very popular one for caravans is called the cube septic tank. Right, so let me just outline that for you. The cube septic tank, I think it's called the cube septic tank because literally, can you still see that? Yeah, it's in the shape of like a cube. It looks something like that. They're really easy to install. I think they take about an hour to install. But the beautiful thing is they are only $299. So we're not on about the cheap ones on eBay. Those white, horrible plastic IBC things on there. Buy one, you'll regret it. The cube septic tank is like, it is an IBC, but they're the top of the range IBCs. They're made from, like, you call it black gold. They're German septic tanks, and they're ideal for using with caravans, as I said, mobile homes, etc. So there you go. I just wanted to really give you a free, a few basic pointers, a few tips. If you've got a caravan, mobile home, or whatever, just type in cube septic tank onto Google, and then you'll see some obviously pictures of that. But that kind of septic tank will be ideal for your caravan. So listen, thank you very much for watching this video today. If you'd like to see more free videos like this one, then all you need to do is go onto Google and type in septic tank TV. All right, septic tank TV. That's my TV channel. It's on YouTube. All the video, loads of free videos, loads of free help, loads of free advice. So listen, you stay safe, you take care, and I'll speak to you soon.